Miraculous gardening. Simple tips for growing the best basil. Miracle tip number 1. Prepare to pinch. After the plant reaches 6 inches tall, begin pinching back new stems to encourage branching so the plant will get bushier. Miracle tip number 2. Bring on the wet stuff. If the top inch of soil is dry, it's time to water. Is your basil in a pot? You may need to water every day. Be sure to aim for the base of the plant. Miracle tip number 3. Make friends with mulch. But you'll have to water less if you put 2 or 3 inches of moisture-saving mulch down around your plants. As a bonus, mulch will help stop weeds by blocking growth and access to sunlight. Miracle tip number 4. Appease basil's appetite. Feed your tasty basil every week or 2 with water-soluble plant food. Miracle tip number 5. Pinch some more. When basil starts to flower, you need to take action. Pinch the blooms as soon as you see them so the plant knows to stay focused on producing tasty leaves. Miracle tip number 6. Get harvest happy. You can begin harvesting any time after the plant reaches 6 to 8 inches high. Pick individual leaves or snip stems, it's your choice. But never take more than 1/3 of the plant at one time. Miracle tip number 7. Skip the fridge. Store basil stems in a glass of water at room temperature. Don't refrigerate them or the leaves will turn brown. Learn more about miraculous gardening at miraclegrow.com.